decided to upgrade my facilities with advanced next-generation machinery, which will cut my current labor costs by 20% and other overhead costs by 10%. The current market is highly competitive, and to remain relevant, I need to upgrade my facilities as soon as possible. However, the new machinery will cost approximately $5 million.
That's great to hear, Bob. How can I assist you?
Larry, this investment is quite significant. I just want to understand how many years it will take to recover my costs.
Okay, Bob. Give me a moment to grab my laptop so I can explain everything to you in detail. Would you like help drafting the detailed explanation too?
My current labor cost is $6.5 million, and overhead cost is $5 million. I'm planning to invest $5 million in new machinery, which is expected to reduce labor costs by 20% and overhead costs by 10%.
So, Bob, you'd like to know in which year your investment will be recovered. To determine that, we'll use the payback period method. All right, let's begin. Bob, for how many years do you plan to use this machinery?
The machinery is expected to last for the next 5 years.
Now, using the given information, we'll calculate the relevant cash flow. Relevant cash flow refers to the difference between your current operating costs and the reduced costs after upgrading to the new machinery, essentially, the savings generated by the investment. After the upgrade, you'll achieve a 20% reduction in labor costs and a 10% reduction in overhead costs. Based on these savings, the total annual net savings will amount to $1.8 million. So, your annual cash flow savings will remain consistent over the next 5 years. Now, let's calculate the payback period. To do this, we divide the initial investment or cash outlay by the net annual cash flow savings. Your initial investment is $5 million, and your net annual savings are $1.8 million. By dividing $5 million by $1.8 million, we get a payback period of approximately 2.78 years. In other words, 2 years and 9 months. This formula is applicable only when the annual cash flow remains stable or consistent each year. For educational purposes, let's assume that the annual cash flow changes each year. In year 1, the cash flow is $1.8 million, which reduces the remaining investment from $5 million to $3.2 million. In year 2, the cash flow is again $2.0 million, reducing the investment further to $1.2 million. Now, in year 3, the expected cash flow is $2.3 million. To determine in which month the remaining $1.2 million will be recovered during year 3, we divide the remaining investment by the year 3 cash flow. We get 0.52. Converting 0.52 years into months gives us approximately 6 months. So the total payback period is 2 years and 6 months.
Wow, Larry, thanks. Larry, what will be NPA and IRR?
Sure, Bob. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive deeper. For now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.